Jingkren jong nong yalam kaseng Voice of the People's Party uba arden mela basayo mon kabaulo ang bag Jingkren jong Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ha Shillong Parliamentary Constituency bad Hatura Parliamentary Constituency lana ki buram brio ki deban Hiar Shuki kala penlong ya kaseng National People's Party ban ong bag ni Jingkren ka Jingkren ka balong Khynnah u President ka National People's Party Meghalaya Unit uba Prestone tensong ulo ong Jingkren jong nong yalam ka Voice of the People's Party kalong Khynnah namar haka history jongkari India Empat judan kinu gibaram hak election kin hapan Hiar Shuki bat kentu yo ba ardan bau deban kedo ban pen I lakadan em kumta.
Let us go back to the independence that we got as a nation, as India. I never seen that history happen that whoever run the government, if he loses the election, has to step down. So I think it's totally irrelevant and it's totally immeasured statement made by the respected president of BPP. I think he should also go to the history. Let him give me glaringly the example of such situation that has happened in the nation as a whole. And my knowledge is very clear. Nothing of that history happened right from the day we got our independence till today in any state or even the central government themselves in Delhi.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya